Hello guys, Mehul here back in with another new video, and today I'm gonna share a tool that is really gonna be useful for your web projects. Okay, so I have shared blob generators, SVG generators, tons of kind of things, right? But I have never shared animated blob generated. Okay, so today I have that thing, and it has a lots of customization built into it, and most probably you will like love it for sure. Okay, so let's just see what we have today, and I know you gonna enjoy it, and this gonna be like really useful piece of a tool for you. So let's just get started. So here we are at blobanimation.com, and as you can see, a blob is animating over here. Okay, you can simply copy the code or the download the svg. Both of the options are available for you. Now you can control the speed of it, like more slow or more fast. Okay, you can do that. You can choose the gradient. Like I am really happy that they have provided gradient color over here, and you can choose a single color as well. Whatever you want is possible. Okay, yeah, and you can choose blob layers, so there will be multiple blobs. You can choose the transparency. As you can see, I have chose 2 layers of blob, so you can see it transparently. Okay, yeah, this is good. You can choose the complexity, you increase or decrease the complexity. You can choose animations, total animations. Okay, so here we can see a lots of kind of, you can choose blur filter as well. That is really great, and that's really create this effect of like really soothing amalgamation of those two things. Okay, and if I just wait, just so yeah, it creates a really a soothing touch here. Okay, so like this, yeah, this looks really like great. Okay, you can rotate the blob as well however you want, though I don't think like I would like to rotate it right now. Wait, zero. Yeah, and the most wonderful thing about it, you can enable images as well. So that's really great. Like, okay, let me turn off the brightness and see. You can have images, and obviously images are not possible in 2 layers, only 1 layer. And here you can give the image link. It will embed the link and show it to you. So yeah, tons of customization that we have over here. But yes, you can choose the background color as well. As of now, I will choose just white. Okay, but yes, you can choose that. You can choose black as well. So a lot of customization available over here that you can see. Okay, wait, let me increase it to 2, make it blur, and choose the background color as dark, something dark bluish. Yes, it's looking great. Let's make the gradient a little bit funky, shall we? Okay, let's choose this color and choose, yeah, see how it's looking really great. And what you have just have to do, copy the code. The code is already copied over here. Actually, let's open a code pen and let's try out what we have copied over here. Okay, it will be html code, right? Yes, you can see the svg animation over here, right? So really really great, I would say. And in terms of svg, you can download the svg as well. Now the svg is downloaded over here, as you can see. And obviously it's just a svg animation, like all of the commands are built into the svg itself. So you can use it anywhere you like: html project, react project, stealth project, what solid js project, whatever you like. So in terms of that, it is really handy, I would say. Okay. And how much convenience you are getting, customization you are getting over here is absolutely phenomenal. So obviously I am going to use it for many of my projects, and I'm gonna suggest it to my customers as well, for whom I only generate the generate the design. I will obviously be considering this, particularly this kind of design, into my projects now on, because obviously it looks cool. It looks like really really cool. Okay, so that's really good. uh that's actually about it about this video. If you know about some of the great, really really great tools like this, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below, because obviously first of all I need it myself, and then I will obviously share it with you in my future videos. And rather than that, if you like my videos in general, or if you like this particular video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, comment down below, share with your friends, help me to boost up the YouTube algorithm. 57 videos remaining, right? So bye.